Animals and Insects Name Part 2. Eagle, a large, strong bird with a curved beak that eats meat and can see very well. Eel, a long, thin, snake-like fish, some types of which are eaten. Egg, the oval object with a hard shell that is produced by female birds, especially chickens, eaten as food. Elephant, a very large gray mammal that has a trunk with which it can pick things up. Feather, one of the many soft, light things that cover a bird's body, consisting of a long, thin, central part with material like hairs along each side. Fin, a thin vertical part sticking out of the body of especially a fish or an aircraft that helps balance and movement. Fish, an animal that lives in water, is covered with scales and breathes by taking water in through its mouth, or the flesh of these animals eaten as food. Flea, a very small jumping insect that feeds on the blood of animals and humans. Fly, a small insect with two wings. Fox, a wild mammal belonging to the dog family that has a pointed face and ears, a wild tail covered in fur, and often reddish-brown fur. Frog, a small animal that has smooth skin, lives in water and on land, has long powerful back legs with which it jumps from place to place, has no tail, and is usually greenish-brown in color. Fur, the thick hair that covers the bodies of some animals, or the hair-covered skins of animals removed from their bodies. Gill, the organ through which fish and other water creatures breathe. Giraffe, a large African animal with a very long neck and long legs. Goat, an animal related to sheep that usually has horns and a beard. Goats live wild on mountains or are kept on farms to provide milk, meat, wool, etc. Goose, a large water bird similar to a duck but larger, or the meat from this bird. Gorilla, a large ape that comes from Western Africa. Grasshopper, a large insect with longer back legs that can jump very high and makes a sharp high noise using its back legs or wings. Hamster, a small animal covered in fur with a short tail and large spaces in each side of its mouth for storing food. Hamsters are often kept as pets. Hare, an animal like a large rabbit that can run very fast and has long ears. Hedgehog, a small brown mammal with a covering of sharp spines on its back. Hen, an adult female chicken often kept for its eggs. Heron, a large bird with long legs, a long neck, and gray or white feathers that lives near water. Herring, a long, silver-colored fish that swims in large groups in the sea, or its flesh eaten as food. Hoof, the hard part on the bottom of the feet of animals such as horses, sheep, and deer. Horn, a hard, pointed, often curved part that grows from the top of the head of some animals, or the hard substance of which a horn is made. Horse, a large animal with 4 legs that people ride on or use for carrying things or pulling vehicles. Hummingbird, a very small, brightly colored bird with a long, thin beak whose wings move very fast and make a humming noise. Iguana, a large grayish-green lizard of tropical America. Insect, a type of very small animal with 6 legs, a body divided into 3 parts and usually 2 pairs of wings, or, more generally, any similar very small animal. Jellyfish, a sea creature with a soft, oval, almost transparent body. Kitten, a very young cat. Ladybug, a small beetle that is round and typically red with black spots.